Oh, she looks rough. Oh, she looks very rough today. Good morning, you guys. How are we? I am so excited about today's video. So as you can tell, or maybe you can't tell, but I'm telling you, I am not in my bedroom at home. I'm actually away at the minute. Sorry, I actually do look like a mess, like I literally have just woke up. Also, my eyebrows are still quite scabbed over, so if you're looking at me wondering what's wrong with my eyebrows, mind your business. No, I'm joking. Yeah, they're still like scabbed over and looking a bit crusty, but you know what, I was like, fuck it, like I want to film this video. I want to document this day. It's a really exciting day. I'm currently away in Wales, actually staying at an Airbnb, which I showed you guys this place yesterday on my Instagram, and I've had so many questions about where we're staying, so I will leave a link to it down below. Yeah, I'll leave my referral link down below as well, which gives you £50 off your first trip, I think it is, or it's up to £50 off. So really, really good deal. So I'll leave the link to that for you guys to sign up, and I'll leave the link to this place, which is honestly the most beautiful place I've ever stayed at in my life. Like, I really want to live here. I want to move in. I want to stay here forever. But yeah, I'm here with my mum, my dad, and my brother Charlie. It is Charlie's 21st birthday. It's also my dad's birthday tomorrow, so dad and Charlie's birthday are like back to back. But yeah, I mean, honestly, you guys, like, I can't wait to do like a little bit of a house tour of this house as well. It is stunning. So this is the room that I am staying in. It's got like a little wardrobe space. It's got all of these windows. It's really, really light. It's kind of like a loft, but it's very high. Like, all of the ceilings are super high, which is really nice. Got a little armchair, my cases, there's a fireplace and a TV. And then this is the view that I literally opened my eyes to this morning. So yeah, this is the bedroom I'm staying in. Charlie is next door. Anyway, I'm gonna just quickly throw on some like joggers. I'm not actually really gonna get like properly dressed. In fact, I'm just gonna put the leggings that I had on yesterday, and then I'm going to come up after and get properly dressed. But I've overslept a little bit. I did want to help mum out. So I'm going to go down and see how it's coming on, and yeah. Okay, where are the balloons then?
Why are you whispering?
I don't know. Also, that spider that was in the bath.
Behind the door.
It's what?
Behind the door.
What do you mean it's behind the door?
Big spider behind the door.
Is it the
Serious?
same
Yeah, that's what it looked like. That can't be the same one though. Maybe there's just a few of them. There was one in the bathroom last night, and I've come down. Well, I've not come down, it's up there. I went in this morning and it's gone. So what if it's like come to attack me in my sleep? You never know.
I didn't see you. You were like fast asleep in that bed.
Yeah, what was that about? So like, I just heard like the floorboards creaking. I'm like asleep. I open my eyes, the door's open. I'm like, what the hell? And then my mom just goes, morning.
It's like another family living in
Yeah, I'm like, what the hell? I shit myself.
I've got a cracking picture
Was that
of you
further
asleep.
Oh, I don't, because I'm a really ugly sleeper. It actually upsets me. I'm never gonna find a
Look at how
husband.
professionally Dad's doing this.
Yeah, no, you do. You're doing a great job, Dad.
Oh, no, thanks.
We're on our second attempt though.
Fuck. How much can go in of these?
I don't know, I think it's
I need to put some ribbon, and then we've got one of these each of them.
Hi Renee. Oh god, that's been really dizzy. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy birthday to Charlie.
Oh, we're easily amused in this household, as you can see. Done. Setting all of these up. I mean, the two is not the right way at all. Mum's making some croissants. Well, she's not making them, she's heating them up.
Do you not know I'm a French
Croissant.
whatever?
Expert. I'm gonna have some breakfast. Charlie's gonna open his cards. All right, so I've not really shown you guys anyway. So this is like the second living room area, and then you come through, got the dining area and the kind of like second living room. I don't really know which the main living room is supposed to be. A little cinema room through here, which is so cozy. We actually had the fire on here last night as well. This is the kitchen, as I've just showed you. I mean, we've just been making pizza dough, so it is a little bit messy. This is, well, I'll show you the view properly in a second, but honestly, I just want to live here, like I'm obsessed with it. The spiral staircase, I don't know what it is about spiral staircases, they always make me so nervous. So this is like the first floor. There's like a little like balcony overlooking the living room, and then there's also a door that leads out here. This is the 4th bedroom, which no one's using because obviously we only need 3. No one's used this bedroom because of these steps. Like, I feel like they just make everyone a bit nervous because the steps all the way like down and up. But this bedroom I think is stunning. Mum and Dad are staying in that one through there, which is the master. And then if we go up again, my room is through there. So this is Charlie's room. I really like the windows going around here. But again, like the view is just insane. Like,
I went up there today.
Did you? Yeah, so there's this little like, what did you call it? A crow's nest. So you can like climb up here and then peek through right at the top. Oh, you've got a big fucker as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god, maybe this is where he went from the bathroom. Can you guys even see that? Look at it.
Oh, that's so cute. You, Charlie. It says yeah right inside. Got me good there. Happy birthday. Love from Jack and Ben.
Got me good
Not joking, it's got me good. Thank you.
It's okay. Happy birthday.
Pizza. I've cut pizza dough.
Oh my god, Mum, you need to go and see someone.
Oh, I know. How are you trying getting around to the back?
Mom, take some meds.
Let's see it.
Right, so we've got 2 lots.
Oh.
Look at that baby there.
Yeah, that one looks really good.
That was the 2nd attempt. The first one's a bit
I was gonna
dodge.
say, yeah.
But I feel like we should use...
Maybe we should try it anyway.
Oh no, we're gonna have to make our first pizza. So we need some...
What is that? Oh, it's a dog.
A dog?
Yeah. Isn't it?
I thought it was a leaf.
Is it?
I haven't got my glasses on.
I just thought it was a leaf. Come on, a little walk. Oh, the sheepies. It's literally so beautiful here. I forgot my vlog camera as well, which is why I'm vlogging on my phone. Okay, so we're gonna make our own pizza. We brought our little pizza oven. Look at the view. Oh my gosh.
This is its first outing. Does it not go in the back, Martin?
Let's go in the back.
No, you're supposed to put the what have you done there? Wood-fired pizza.
Ooh.
Look at the size of this pizza that's gonna go on here.
This is what we've got for the pizza. We've got some chopped tomatoes and tomato paste, a little bit of ketchup to mix in. We've got some mozzarella as a bowl, and then also some grated mozzarella. And we've got some vegan cheese just in case anyone wants a vegan one as well. We've got some basil. I'm gonna chop up these tomatoes. And then for toppings, we've got mushrooms, peppers. We did get onions as well, but I'm not sure if anyone will bother having onions.
What's the problem, guys?
Dad and his perfectionist self is really upset
Is that like a pizza?
What are you rolling that with?
What are you doing? I'll roll it out.
What?
Wait for the pin.
Okay, what's going on? That's, yeah. Well, look, they don't have to be round.
Mine looks
They're not going to be round.
Do you want to get a paddle? Martin.
It's gone into a dark hole.
Martin. Okay. Let the pizza go, it's fine.
No.
I'm sure this isn't what they do in a Pizza Express.
I bet it is actually.
What, with an old Coke bottle?
It's a side Pizza Express you don't see.
Okay, sauce. What the hell?
I think they're fine, look at them.
Charlie, you're the guinea pig. You can't... Oh, Jesus.
I can't tell you.
What is...
You don't flour the Yes, I did flour it.
Oh my God, what the hell's that?
I can't see you don't have enough flour.
Alright, let me get the ladle.
Just get stuff on it quick.
Oh my god, I need to photograph this
You
massive.
sure that doesn't like, that's not pizza sauce, that? What is that? It's supposed to be like really...
Can you just get the video camera?
What is that? That's just like tin tomatoes.
Alright, it's happening now. What's the flower?
Forget about the flour. Get on with it.
I'm
crying.
That's not pizza sauce.
No, it's too runny.
It's not. It says the master chef.
Come on, just get on with
It says
it.
the master pizza chef.
How's the fire going?
Yeah, man, I don't know, to be honest. What is dead?
Oh, it's gone out, Charlie. He's actually let it go out.
Mum, fuck me, before you got this fucking hour, there's nothing on it.
I need to sort the fire out. Watch that doesn't get
What?
How'd you
Look at it's not. It's not looking pretty when you got it over a washing sink, is it? Oh my god! What the frick is that? What is it? Oh shit! The oven's gone out. That's plenty. That's plenty.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right, look at that masterpiece. Is it actually gone out?
Yeah, well, it's pretty much. There's embers.
You just have to.
No.
You go.
Keep the thing in with it, don't you?
No, you don't.
All right, just put it in.
It goes on the stone, doesn't it?
Shit, does it?
You got a spatula then? I'm stuck in it. What do we do?
Oh, you'll have to cook it on that.
No, you can't cook it on that. What are you talking about? It's a stone-based pizza
I
oven.
need a spatula. What do you want me to do? Use the
Hannah,
force?
we need a spatula. It's stuck to the paddle.
Do
Yeah,
that.
well, you
Yeah, but
should.
it's not floured enough. It's not sliding off. It's just stuck.
Oh, shit.
It's some seriously wet dough, this.
Push it right in and then pull it out really quick.
You're gonna lose the pizza. What are you talking about? Oh god, the pizza's got holes in it.
Oh no, what's going on here? Let's have a look.
I thought you put that.
Boom.
Why? Oh dear. Did you not read the instructions?
No, because I just didn't read that.
You didn't read the
I just got the
instructions.
fire
I
going.
can't believe your dad was just going to leave the pad.
I can't believe all of you. I can't believe no one read the instructions and you're trying to use it.
Oh
Probably
jeez.
delicious either way.
We better check it. Let's
It's not
check
going to be
it.
cooked now.
It doesn't take long, seriously. It only takes like a couple of minutes. You got to turn it round every 30 seconds though.
Joking.
No.
It's fucking stuck. Oh no, is it? Dad, what? You should have read the instructions. Really.
It's looking good.
Put it in for.
This is
We
stressful.
need a little bowl of flour.
No, it's yours. What? Oh shit!
The pizza's on fire!
Oh no, the pizza's
The
properly.
whole thing's on fire!
Oh no.
Oh, okay. Right. Look, let's not worry.
Right, put the camera down.
Cut the cameras. Dead end.
reckon-
Do you know what? I might just wait for the next one. What the hell?
No, that's much better though.
Yeah, it's good.
Well, yeah, if we just like, if I just showed you that, you'd think that was like a professional pizza. Okay.
I'm still eating the first. Do you want the flame grilled slice tail?
Right, a taste test.
There you go, you know that-
The dough's still raw.
I don't think it is. It's a bit raw.
It tastes good to be fair. Alright, so it is in there. What do you do now?
I don't know. Why do you think all the pizzas turned out like this?
You said yours was gonna be good.
Wow, Charlie. That's video I'm taking.
Oh. Just went me off there. I see you, one. You're a tricky one. Gotta stay alert around you.
That's the real deal. This is what we've been working up to.
I'm lucky.
Yeah, I'm well impressed, Charlie.
Just got Charlie's cake out. This is from Little Blonde Bakes. I said that Charlie really likes Oreos and Kinder Bueno. And this is what they came up with. It looks so good. Happy birthday to Charlie. Happy birthday to you. Woo! I'm coming.
It's Hannah that sorted your cake for you.
What have you made that?
Right now,
Oh, you're bueno.
Yeah, I had to pick for you. I'm hoping that was okay.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Bueno too. Oh my god.
Charlie, I want you to do something special for me now. I want you to visualise
The candles.
21 candles on top of this cake.
We'll have to do another.
It's got another bit.
You got to make a wish and
Oh
just
my
like pretend to
God,
blow out
what?
candles.
What?
Ready? Oh, no, it's very good.
Yay! I see what you did there, Dad.
That's gonna have to be 2 slices.
I mean, that slice alone can feed all of us.
Oh no, not me. I've had so much gin.
You made this one?
You're not hungry?
No.
Do you want this?
Not in the slightest.
You guys can share half of this.
That's
Oh,
a
look.
normal size of cake right there.
That's so much cake. What's wrong, Martin?
Feeling queasy after all.
After all that raw dough. Watch it down on the cake.
It's still like
Look at that,
roofing in my
Martin.
stomach.
Actually expand.
You're gonna wake up tomorrow. Your dad's gonna be twice the size tomorrow. He is. That pizza is expanding in you right now, isn't it? Oh, look at the cake going down though.
Piss off.
You're so rude. You're gonna have to roll him to the car.
My birthday tomorrow, no?
Exactly. Well, what do you want to do for your birthday, hon? I'll try that. Thank you.
You should vlog yourself, Mum.
Well, you could be a vlogger.
I don't know how to vlog.
Turn
it around, flip the
the
screen
screen up.
Give it a taste of you, go
Just
on.
say hello to everyone.
No,
Like
you gotta
that?
turn it around.
No, you gotta turn it around now on yourself.
Maybe not like
No. You're just brutal. Oh, God.
Looking like the centre light on.
It was pitch black.
It's like stepping
Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh.
Like no one saw that.
Were you trying to like be dead cool, Matt? Were you trying to look like...
I was hoping camera hadn't noticed. That's why I like that.
Oh my God, it sounded like the beats would have blown up from in here. Oh, Charlie, you've had a good birthday.
Amazing, thank you.
Oh. And we've still got your cards from us for you.
Okay, that's cool.
Han?
Where are they?
Want to do them now?
Yeah.